Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Key Academy. So today I am going to discuss about the biggest hiring announcement, and finally Edgeworth and Infosys hiring has been announced again. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the full hiring process and what is the exact job role that you have to apply. And guys, this is very important hiring opportunity. You will get the response also. Like if you have not applied, like last time, like Edgeworth was there for software development. Now that time students get the response from the Edgeworth, and again this hiring has been started. We are going to discuss about the what is the exit criteria. Clearly you can see this is off campus drive from the Edgeworth and Infosys company, and this is the job role, that is system engineer. Okay, so guys, as a system engineer they are going to hire. Okay, so as a system engineer you are going to apply. What is the criteria? BTech students can apply, 25 graduates. Guys, 20, if you are from the 24 batch now, then you are not eligible for this hiring opportunity. If you are from the 25 batch, then you are only eligible to apply in this hiring opportunity. Okay, so now batch criteria is clear to you guys. Like students are commenting, right, who can apply for this hiring opportunity. So they have clearly mentioned only 25 batch students can apply for this hiring opportunity. Okay, now talking about job role, that is system engineer. Work location would be Hyderabad, and practice unit, that is FNSP. Okay, state Andhra Pradesh, and company as per system LED. And how to apply? You have to apply from the apply to job. Okay, now talking about the exact hiring process and some important note that you have to follow. So this is the rules and selection process. Like students will undergo an assessment, coding challenge. Okay, and note, candidate who graduated in previous year not need to apply. So we like previous year mean 24 not eligible. Okay, candidates who currently have background areas need not to apply. So guys, if you have any backlog, राइट, बैकलॉग वाले स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी बैकलॉग देन यू आर एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई. इफ यू हैव बैकलॉग यू don't apply. Okay guys, because the online assessment or interview round you will not get. If you are applying you will not get. Okay, we are currently follow hybrid model. Work from office, 3 days work from is mandatory. So basically if you are ready to work in hybrid mode, hybrid means what is, you have to do 2 days work from home and 3 days work from office. Okay, so this is the exact work model. Not talking about the hiring process. So basically last time also you have seen like what is the exact hiring process. So first, if you are shortlisted, then online assessment will be there, and online assessment coding challenge will be there. Okay, so there will be around 1-2 coding questions, and which was medium level. Generally they are providing a package around 9 LPA, right? So what is the package? Like I am talking about a software developer, software system engineer, I don't know, but exactly they can provide approx 6 to 7 lakhs. Okay, so based upon this package now, there will be coding assessment and medium level coding questions will be there in the online assessment. Okay, so online assessment, what is the exact one? That is coding assessment. Okay, coding assessment, it means coding challenge will be there. After that you have completed the coding assessment, now the technical interview will be there. Okay, so in the technical interview what you have to prepare? You have to prepare the OOPS concept. You can prepare the OOPS concept, and projects you can prepare, right? Projects you can prepare. Resume based questions will be there, so you can prepare the resume also. After that one manager or HR round will be there. So this is the exact hiring process. Here the coding assessment will be there. If you solve the coding assessment, then technical interview will be there, and then HR interview. Okay, so this is the exact hiring process for the Edgeworth. For system engineer, like if you if students get the response like one by one, I will also like discuss with you guys what is the exact pattern, how they are asking for the system engineer. For software developer this is the exact pattern, and for system engineer also they have mentioned this pattern only. Coding challenge will be there, right? They have mentioned coding challenge and followed by technical and HR interview. Okay, so this is the exact pattern for this hiring opportunity. Now how to apply? Where is the exact apply link? That I will tell you. Okay, so this is the exact, if you go to this website now, Edgeworth. Okay, so this is the hiring opportunity. From here you have to apply, and link will be in description box, so you can apply from there. Now talking about the second hiring, which is from the Cognizant. Cognizant also hiring for software engineer. Currently Cognizant, Gen Cognizant hiring for different job roles. Now if you want to apply, you can apply in Cognizant. Next, one internship drive from the Deloitte strategy and integration internship is there. This is for Delhi location. Who can apply for this hiring opportunity? BTech students, MTech students, MBA students can apply. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria? You should have some knowledge in technical, also communication skills you should have. So you can apply in this hiring opportunity as an intern. You can apply in Deloitte also. Okay, So guys, these are the some important hiring updates, biggest announcement from the Edgeworth. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.